Hi guys, it's Mike at Mike's Auto Care. I hope everybody's well out there. So I've got another vehicle in today that's having the full ceramic coating. It's having the Matrix 5D, which is the 8-year warranted coating. Okay, so there's the vehicle, Land Rover Discovery. Nice colour blue. I think it'll part really well. Obviously it's literally just as it came in, so we haven't as of yet done any kind of washing. But already I can kind of identify, you can see them on the camera there. Quite a lot of Shropshire love marks, I would say. It's just had little scrapes and little general marks up against the hedge. Yeah, so not a problem at all. Let's crack on, let's give it a wash, and let's have a look once it's done. So the dwell time is around 4 to 5 minutes, so you can't rush these things. You just need to give it time just to gently get into all the dirt. Okay, so initially when you're standing back, it kind of looks a little bit shiny, but then you get into the closer inspection. So let's have a look. I'm going to get this on a white light because I don't know if it's going to show up on the camera, but there is so many scratches. Can you see by the fuel cap, because it's the kind of vertical ones. You got the ones that look like they've been in the hedge, coming way along, way along. Back in the studio now and just having a look under the white light. You should be able to see that on the camera. So all of those imperfections, you've got to get it completely clear first. You need to get everything removed, because if you put a ceramic on top of that, you're not then able to correct anything afterwards once that ceramic hits full strength. Okay, so we've been around the whole car, done a full correction. We're going to go around again now and obviously give it a nice polish, but that's it after the correction. I have done a couple of videos of kind of a contrast of uncorrected and corrected. Obviously now it's completely corrected. So we go in now and get a lovely polish all the way over. Remove the polish, and then we're going to come in with a nice surgical wipe, get it surgically clean, and then we can start applying the ceramic coating. But as it stands at the moment, obviously it's looking 10 times better than it did before, but I'm happy it's at the stage where we can install the ceramic, because we've got rid of all those imperfections. The big long scratches have all gone, all the big scratches that were here, all removed. That's the stage right now. We'll crack on, we'll get it polished, and we'll do the surgical wipe, and then we'll maybe just get back, have a quick look before we start installing the ceramic coating. Catch up in a little while, guys. So at the end of the detail on this Land Rover Discovery, as you see on the stage picture all the way through, the paint corrections that we've done, we managed to get all the clear coat decontaminated. We've got it nice and smooth now. We've done that sandpaper noise we were getting before, and we've obviously machine polished, and then we've installed the ceramic. We let that out gas for 24 hours, and then we've come in today, we've just put the barrier coating over the top. So that's it, she's good to go outside in all weathers. The only thing you've got to do really just to maintain that, very simple, very easy. We give an aftercare plan with the vehicle just to keep the warranty intact. But you just leave it for 7 to 10 days, don't wash it, let everything settle down. Then when you do come to wash it, it's just a pH neutral shampoo with no wax in, a gentle pre-rinse, pH neutral snow foam, and then just a microfiber mitt side to side technique, and a microfiber towel for drying. And that's all you need. You don't want to put any polish on, you don't want to put any waxes on, because that kind of negates the point of having a ceramic, because the ceramic dries like glass, nothing sticks to it. So then if you add a wax on top or a polish on top, you're going to get those small particles starting to stick. And that's it. If we can be of help to you, just get in touch with us, pop in and see us, always happy to chat. Send us a message, give us a phone call, and we'll see you guys soon.